what is sustainability? We are utilizing so much. Is it that we are leaving? If you are utilizing a resource, how are we giving it back? Another aspect is how we are optimally using those resources as much as it is required and be able to conserve it for our future generations.
Bro, there we're understanding about sustainability.
So to understand what's happening in the market, that what is my red list and what is my green list, and not procure any which is in the red list. Supply and demand.
We need to have partners for that. But idea is to be able to create that level of partnership with the right partner. That's very important.
Push a company that they're going to give you an aid into going to the next level.
If we exceed the expectation, we are creating memories. What is it that you are doing to give back to the community? Spending your precious time of the day in doing something that you like to do. Utilize when you have a resource available. Thank you.